Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a makeup look with, of course, Wet n Wild and Care Bears, their new collection. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's get started. Before going to the makeup, let's refresh our memory with the name of the Care Bears. Actually, when I was little, I didn't like actually watching the cartoons on TV. I didn't like to watch the Care Bears on TV. I just like the fluffy bears, the toys. Let's mention the names of our friends. So we have Sunshine Bear, Cheer Bear, Tender Heart Bear, Bedtime Bear, Share Bear, Good Luck Bear, Wish Bear, Birthday Bear, Love a Lot Bear, Grumpy Bear. After mentioning our friends, let's move on first with the face. So I have here their blush. It's called Do What You Love, and it's a blush I love. We have here, I believe, our Love Bear. So here we have the blush just a little bit closer, and here is the blush, and we have two hearts. So let's add some blush. I already put some bronzer, of course. Oh, I like it. This is really nice. When I saw this blush, I was like, I think I'm gonna like the color, because this is the type of blush that I like to use. So it's really pigmented though. Let's put a little bit on the nose. Okay, after that, let's continue with the face. I bought also the highlighter. It's called Let Your Light Shine, and we have a yellow bear. This is so cute. I love the packaging. Again, this is how the highlighter looks a little bit closer. We have the sun with our yellow bear, which I don't remember his name. We're gonna call it the happy bear. Let me know in the comments down below what's the name of the bear. And here we have our highlighter. It has the sun. So I'm just gonna show you guys a swatch how it looks. Ooh, this looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. However, I'm just gonna tell you right away, I don't think I'm gonna like the highlighter because it's too yellow. I like highlighters to be in a gold tones. I'm just going to apply this on, yeah, no, I don't really like it. On the cheekbones, a little bit here, but yeah, it's too yellow. I don't like these. I like better gold ones. Now let's move on to the eyes. So here is the palette with Wet n Wild and Care Bears. This is such a cute presentation. So let's get a little bit closer. Here it says Wet n Wild Caring Count. It's a palette for the eyes and the face. We have the name of Care Bears. We have our little friends over here, the rainbow. We see that they're playing with the stars, and we have the clouds at the bottom. It says that it's a limited edition. The back, it says Wet n Wild Care Bears Caring Count palette for the eyes and face. And here we have the names of each eyeshadow. And as you can see, it says we have two eyeshadows that has a black star. And it says that this is also for the face. It says face pigment. It features 15 hyperpigmented shades perfectly curated to each cuddly Care Bear in a mix of buttery, soft, matte, and sparkly shimmers, gleamy satins, and self. So here we have the eyeshadows of this palette. Of course, it has to be super colorful because it is the Care Bears. Here we have Love a Lot Bear, Tender Heart Bear, Birthday Bear, Good Luck Bear, Wish Bear, Cheer Bear, Sunshine Bear, Friend Bear, Heart Song Bear, Bedtime Bear, which this one is also for the face, Bear, Care a Lot Bear, Harmony Bear, Best Friend Bear. This one is also for the face, and Grumpy Bear. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is called Love a Lot Bear, which is basically the same thing with the heart as the blush. So I'm going to apply this on the crease. Basically start with the transition color. I feel like this pink is going to go really good with the purples as a transition color. So I'm doing the same thing on this side. I really like this pink. It's so cute. It reminds me of a palette from Wet n Wild. It's called, it's something about Icon. After that, with the same brush, I'm going to use this purple over here, which is called Care a Lot Bear, and start tapping this color on the outside of my eye. But I think I'm going to like drag it outside. I don't know if it's me or you just tap this color and you can't really work it. Okay, hold on. Towards the inner corner of my eye. No, if I like this one. And also start applying it on my crease. I'm gonna do the same thing on the side. Just tapping the color, dragging the color to know where exactly I'm going. Dragging the color. I think I dragged it too much towards the inner corner of my eye, because then we're going to use another purple. That's why. So it makes more sense. So after that, I'm going to go with this shimmer eyeshadow, which is called Harmony Bear, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger because this is gorgeous. I feel like these kind of eyeshadows works beautiful with the fingers. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh wait, the purple, it's not called Care a Lot Bear, that is called Best Friend Bear. Yeah, this one, it's called Best Friend Bear, and this one you can also apply it on the face. So cute. I love it. So we blended with Friend Bear, and as you guys can see, it makes more sense purple that we were dragging before. We use inner brush just to go all the way to the inner corner of the eye. After that, I'm gonna move on with another color. I'm gonna go with this orange. It's called Friend Bear, and we have these two flowers. It's a shimmer color, so I don't know how it's gonna work, but let's add this one on our lower lashes. Okay, I don't think it's the right brush. Okay, I'm going to use another one just because the other one was too thick. And just apply it on the lower lashes. After that, I'm going to use this one, which is so pretty. It's called Care a Lot Bear. This is the Care a Lot Bear, and I'm going to use a flat brush. This is just, wow, this is so pretty. This is just to have some glow on our brow bone. Oh, this is so cute. And I love that we have this white, blue, purple. I feel like it's like a cotton candy, cloudy eyeshadow. It's so cute. I love it. This is cute. You can't have just like a simple makeup look and add this like a pop of color. And it's so cute. So we are almost done with the makeup look. I'm just gonna put some lipstick. I don't know what kind of lipstick I'm gonna use. This makeup, apply some lashes, be right back with you. So here is the final makeup look with the lashes, a lip topper similar to the eyes. It's not something that I would use, but I feel like it was kind of fun to add it with this makeup. So let's talk about the products. Okay, first, the blush, loved it. It is pigmented, it is cute. Love this kind of pink blush. Such a cute blush. Now, the highlighter, like I said before, I don't like it because it's too yellow, maybe for light skin tones. I'm still going to use this for the inner corner of the eyes. Now, let's talk about the palette. The palette is cute. It is, of course, Care Bears. I love it. I really like the presentation. It definitely feels Care Bears. Now, let's talk about the inside. I feel like it had so much space to have the names on the front. I personally like, and you guys know, I've seen my videos that I like having the names in front with the eyeshadow color. Like they had enough space to add it. It's not like some palettes that they don't have space. Look, the palette fuller. Now, the colors, of course, it's a colorful palette because it is the Care Bears. I don't mind. I had some trouble with this eyeshadow. I feel like it was hard to blend it, and this palette reminds me of this palette, like I said before, the pink one, something similar. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon. You guys know they launched not too long ago these palettes. I like it, but definitely would love to have the names on it. I feel like the whole palette would look fuller, but oh my god, this is such a cute collab with the Care Bears. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it, if you didn't like it, if you grabbed this palette, like what kind of colorful makeup looks you go more towards to. I feel like I go more towards the purple and also definitely the greens than the blues. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.